Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're at the Keystone Museum in Virginia. And I wanted to show off this awesome Minneapolis Moline UDLX behind me. Such a cool tractor, you don't see them very often. So these tractors were built in the 1930s, late 30s. And the idea was, instead of having to buy an automobile and a tractor, you would have your tractor and your automobile all in one. They had a high-speed road gear to keep up with traffic. They had cab, optional cab with heat, and didn't look very comfortable on the inside here. Let's peek inside. Got the heater there, your two shifters, nice comfy seat, and the other seat would be right here. They did not take off. They did not sell very well. And you'd get made fun of if you drove a tractor with a cab on it back then. So they did not make very many of these, and they were very expensive. And for that reason, there's not many left. But someone has beautifully preserved this one. Beautiful tractor. Thanks for watching.